So now let's add some CSS to our About Us page. So let's see what we have. We have this ugly page that needs CSS. So let's go to brackets, and here we have the About Us file CSS that we have created. Here let's have some vertical splits by clicking on this icon. Then we can click on no splits, or maybe this vertical split, or if you prefer horizontal split. For me, I prefer the vertical split. So I will keep the about HTML file here and the about CSS file here. So let's go and see what we need to create. So there are some common CSS that we need to have for the header and also for the footer. So I will go to home.css and I will look for common CSS. So I will grab this, then this, to this. So if I go here, great, it is working. Then I will look for the footer. Great, it is here. And we will also grab some media queries. And we will keep what we need. So here. So we don't need this, this, and this. Great. So now let's go and style this section. So here, let's style the showcase section. So I will go here after the header. So here, I will add the code for the showcase. I will give it a height of maybe 200 pixels. And also we will follow a mobile first approach. So we will design for the mobile versions and then we will go to tablets, then to desktops. So here maybe 250. Great. Let's give it a background image. And let's look for something here, maybe this. Great. Background size cover. And now let's move to this element, which is the text. So showcase text. Let's give it a background color of GBA with an opacity of maybe 3. So this is a block color with an opacity of 0.3. But it's not working. This is ID. We need to change the class here. And now we can see that it is working here. Let's showcase text H2 padding 20 pixels. Text align center. Great. And color white. Great. And also we need it here. So I will go to the container, position of absolute with AB 100%. Top, bottom, maybe. So it is here. We also need to go here and let's give a position relative to the container. So this element will be positioned relative to this one, not to the browser. So here, great. Then we have this element. Let's close the showcase. Then let's move to this section. So for this section, it is pretty simple. We will target few words about us. Then we will target the words container, max width of maybe 500 pixels, margin auto. Great, so we can see that it is working here. So I will target words container, H3, padding 10 pixels, and the same thing, words container B. Great. Then let's target the word container, word text align center. Great. And margin 20 pixels, 0. So 20 pixels will be for the top and the bottom, and 0 for the left and right. And we have something that looks like this. Great. Let's move to the call to action. Call to action. Text align center. So this will center so here it is centered. Great. Now let's target call to action and the link display inline block, so we can give it some padding, maybe 15 and 10 pixels. Always make this. Great. Margin. Background color, and I will grab the color from here. So it is here. Great. And also let's get rid of the text decoration. None. Great. Let's increase for the bottom, for the margin bottom. Great. And also call to action when the link is being hovered, we will give it a box shadow 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 5, maybe 15 pixels, and shade of black. And let's add a transition for the box shadow property. Box shadow 0.4 seconds. Let's go here, see if it is working. Well, this is a bug. Great, it is working. Well, sometimes it behaves very weird. Great, you can see that it is working.